Hey YouTube, today we're doing car spotting in Toronto on July night, looking for exotic cars, seeing what's out, hopefully some good stuff. Look at that Lamborghini Huracan. Interior Porsche Targa, all red. Lamborghini Urus. Listen to that exhaust. That is nice. Over there we have a Urus that's tuned. Here we have this insane one here. I saw this one before. So this one is on 4G Autos here. This one has a wide body kit, a Mansory kit. Look at the forged carbon fiber. This Lamborghini is so nice. This is like a special Urus. This is so different than the average one. Look at how wide that is. Look at here we have a Mach 1 Mustang. This isn't your standard Mustang. This is actually really cool. So this is a Brabus. Most of the Brabus in Canada are fake. But this one has at least the Brabus front and the Brabus forged carbon hood. And it has a thing on the roof. It has the Brabus carbon fiber wing. Just from the back, it looks like a G63. I don't think it's a real one. But it does have the kit, which is really cool. When you see it from here, it definitely is not a real Brabus. But it is pretty cool, all the additions to it. GTS, if you like AMGs. Here is another cool one for you. So here from this side, you can see it is really cool, but it is not a real Brabus. It's just a G63 with the wide star kit, but it is really nice to see it. So it is a slow night here, but at least there is some cars out, because on the weekends it's busy here, but this summer has been slower than usual, so it's nice to see some life here. Nice quiet,